Welcome back, students. This is my third video on articles. This video is for standard 6 as well as standard 7. In standard 7 book it is for it is chapter number 4, while for standard 6 it is chapter number 9. I have told you, my two previous videos have concentrated on articles a and an, which are indefinite articles. The content has been, because the content is more or less the same, I am doing the video together for both the classes 6 and 7. Please be very attentive, and this is a thorough video so that you can go through or you can understand the concept of a and an. So we have already done a and an. Now we are talking about the definite article the, and it is very frequently or used in words in English. So where do we use the? We use the definite article in front of a noun when we believe the hearer knows exactly what we are referring to. So this is used when we speak about a person or thing in particular, both for singular and plural, and we know it exactly, we know what we are talking about. Similarly, in the standard 7 book, the definite article the, it is used before a singular or plural noun when it is a clear, obvious which person or thing we are talking about. Only the language is same, the meaning is the same. Language is changed, but the meaning is the same. Please turn to the next page, girls. There are more uses which has been given for the. So in the standard 7 book we can see it is written, anything which we identify immediately. We watched the new Brad Pitt film last night. So musical instruments, we use the musical instruments like the violin, the guitar, the drum. Sometimes think that is unique in or is only one, the sun, the internet. The sun is one of its kind. So in front of that we will use the in front of the names of rivers, seas, ocean, mountain ranges, deserts, and so on. In front of the directions, all the cardinal points, that is the 4 directions, we will use the. In your standard 6 book, if you go through, we see we use it because there is only one. See, the Pope, there is only one Pope. The moon, only one. The Shah of Iran, only one. So when there is only one. Similarly, we also use the with the definite articles with the superlative adjectives. The tall, when I had done the comparison of adjectives, you remember we use the tallest, tall, taller, the tallest. So the tallest, the oldest building. So while we are doing the superlative adjectives, then we are using the. We use it before because there is only one in that place or in those surroundings. We live in a small village next to the church. So maybe there is a village and there is only that church there. So people will understand that we are talking about that particular church or the church in our village. More examples, please go through. Then we use it because we have already mentioned it. Like a woman who fell 100 meters from Kanchenjunga peak was lifted to safety by the helicopter. The woman fell while climbing. So we already know here it is a woman because we don't know. But now since we have mentioned it, so we know which women. So that is why we are using the over here. Then we use it to say something about all the things referred to by a noun. The wolf is not really a dangerous animal. So in all, we are talking about the wolves in together. The kangaroo is found only in Australia. So we are talking about the only the kangaroos in whole, that they are found in only in Australia. We use the definite articles to talk about musical instruments. See, the piano, the guitar. We use it to refer to a system or service. So the train, the radio, the police. We don't say you should tell police, the police, because we are talking about a particular service. And system, suppose the radio, the train. So here we use the. We also use the with adjectives like the rich, the poor, the disabled. We use now there is omission where we do not use it, or we definite articles with the names of the person, the countries, geographical features, newspapers, organization, hotels, pubs, restaurants, families. So in particular with something we know, so we use the examples are given. Please go through them carefully. I will meet you in the next video. Thank you.